Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So I did a few t-shirts here the other day, so I decided to do a reveal on these. This here is the Time Warp. So let's get this thing opened up. Alright, so there's some color there. Okay, well let's get set up here. Okay. So there's the first Time Warp. Alright, we're going to get this washed. Okay, so since I did two of these, let's do the Time Warp again. So this one I did on the scrunch. So there we have it. That one I did just straight up and down. So we're going to get these washed and I'll have the results posted at the end of the video. Okay, so here's the last reveal we're doing. This one was the Alcoholics Anonymous symbol. Okay, here we go. There's the Alcoholics Anonymous symbol. So we'll get this washed and the results will be posted at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Okay, I decided to do one more reveal. This one, there isn't a video for it, but it's one more dress that I dyed up after I made those videos. So we'll just reveal everything today. How about that? Show that color coming out. Oh. Off. Yeah, some good color in there. Alright, let's set up and show this thing. Okay, so here we go. So there is the dress. Now I'll have pictures of this on my Facebook and stuff later. This is a 3X, just in case anybody is interested. Thank you for watching.